Hello friends. So on this video we are going to see how we create a simple Django project initially. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this is our folder. Currently I'm using VS Code for this project. You can use whatever your code reader you can use, like you can use Visual Studio Code or other. Let me create it. Okay, so first simply go to terminal and create a virtual environment. Virtual environment is very useful in the sense where when you want to create a separate environment for your project. Okay, so this is the basic command for creating virtual environment. So so here you see multiple files are created. We just have a little bit for while creating for. Okay, now virtual environment is created. Let's activate a virtual environment. This is the basic syntax for creating a virtual environment and activating. If you don't want to do that, is okay, because here we just know how we want to know how to create a Django project. You can also do it without creating virtual environment. It is not necessary for this video. Okay, so let's install our dependencies. Like if you want to create a Django project, you need some dependencies. You can install it by using pip. So for installing the dependency of Django, you can add pip install Django. Write this. You can Google this on so pip install Django. Okay, so our Django is installed successfully. You can see there, and you can also check out this website for installing all dependency related to Django. Pip install Django. Okay, must check it out because we have lots of dependency based on our project's requirement. So here we have. So the first thing we have to do while creating a Django project, a Django project. After that, you have to create a particular app based on our requirement. So let's create a project, Django admin start project, and now you have to write the project name. In my case, let's consider a base app. Okay, here you see the base is created with all required files. There is a setting file, URLs file, and other files as well. Okay, let's try to run our Django server. Don't be worried about commands. I will share all the commands in text file, so you will also see the command, and you can also check out on Google as well. I'm just showing you how to use that command on purpose. Okay, see, we successfully created our Django project, and you can see, oh, congratulations. So it is working properly, and we can also go for another command. Like you can also see there is some migrations. Don't worry about these migrations and other things, because in initially you will see all migrations, and these migrations is regarding your authentication systems, your user authentications and other things. And you can, if you check out this out a little bit, you can go to settings file and see there is a installed app sections, and for these sections you have to migrate, and as well as in future when you creating another new app, you have also installed here and then migrate. So okay, so let's migrate it and see these warnings are gone or not. Python manage py and migrate. This is a migrate command. I will, okay, then okay, it's properly. Then let's run again it. Okay, it's working properly. So that's it, guys. So by on this video we will see how to create a Django project, and it's a simple project, so it's not a lot of stuff on this video. In the next video we will must share other things like how to set Django app and other related Django videos. Okay, thank you so much.